Hello, Jonathan Landeros with KETIV Technologies, and welcome to Demoting Components into an Assembly. Here, we have a coffee table that I was designing inside of Autodesk Inventor, and all of my components are at the top level. Now what I want to do is take the side of this table and reuse it over here on the other side. And at this point is where I realized I really should have taken those components and made them into a subassembly. But I just didn't see that when I did it the first time. So how can I do that without having to reassemble all of those components one at a time over here? Well, if I hold down the Shift key and select each one of those components, I can right-click, choose Component, and Demote. And this will take those components and demote them into a subassembly. There I can go ahead and give it a new name, choose OK, and Inventor will warn me it may lose some constraints when it does this. Now that's still a better option than having to reassemble each one of those components all over again, so I'm going to say yes. Now in this case I did keep all my constraints, so I'm in really good shape here. So now I can just right-click and copy, right-click and paste, and now I have a second instance of that subassembly. I'll go ahead and get it positioned, and now I can go ahead and assemble it, and it only takes 3 constraints to assemble that into place versus the several it would have taken if all those parts were separate. Now, nothing can beat just realizing that I should have done this ahead of time, but I just didn't see it when I started, so how do I paint myself out of that corner? This is how I get myself out of that corner that I've painted myself into. So 3 constraints, and I've gone ahead and reassembled that now. So there we go. It was a huge time saver for me being able to demote that and create that subassembly versus having to do any tricks and reassembling all those components. It's a good trick to keep in your back pocket. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.